Which statement about Auxiliary Experience Portal Manager, EPM, is true? Option A. An auxiliary EPM can be installed co-resident with MPP server. Option B. An auxiliary EPM can be installed on a single server app system. Option C. More than one auxiliary EPM server can be added per app system. Option D. Only one auxiliary EPM server can be added per Avaya Aura Experience Portal, AAEP, system. The correct answer is option B. If a call enters the system and matches more than one URI, what determines the application that will handle the request? Option A. The launch order link on the Add Application page is used to set the priority. Option B. On the Add Application form, the Set Priority field assigns the priority. Option C. The inbound called numbers or URIs cannot match more than one application. Option D. The short with field on the Add Application form sets the order. The correct answer is option C. When the Avaya Aura Experience Portal, AAEP, software receives call, what starts the associated speech application that controls the call flow? Option A. ASR. Option B. ITS. Option C. IPP. Option D. EPMs. The correct answer is option C. Which two types of connections does the Experience Portal short message service channel support? Option A. HTML. Option B. IMAP4. Option C. POP3. Option D. SMPP. Option E. HTTP. The correct answer is option B, C.